Welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how I built a fruit rack and a spice rack. For the fruit rack, I first cut 12 equally long pieces for the bottom and sides and 4 equally long pieces for the front and back. After sanding them with 320 grit sandpaper and a quick double check, I made the 4 corner pieces using wood glue and nail gun. I used these corner clamps from Wolfcraft to hold the wood in the right angle while I joined them with brad nails. Then I glued the front piece to the corners, making sure that the pieces are flush with each other on all sides. The next step is the two middle parts. I made the front and back panel longer, so it will give 1 cm gap between these bottom pieces. Now I just had to glue the back panel on, again making sure that the sides are flush with each other. Then I made the second box the same way. I cut the bottom of the leg in a 30 degrees angle. When I decided where I want the box, I marked the exact place on the leg. Then I drilled a pilot hole to prevent the wood from splitting. I had to be careful here to make sure that the pilot hole and screws are shorter than the two pieces of wood combined, so it won't pop up on the other side. I clamped the other box to the leg and I made sure that it's parallel with the one on the bottom. When it was in the correct position, I screwed it to the leg. I used countersink drill bit to make the screw head flush with the surface. Then I marked where I cut the leg, making sure that the top of the leg is parallel to the top of the box. I unscrewed them, cut the leg to the correct length, and I made a copy of this leg for the other side of the rack. I measured the distance from the end of the box to the leg and I copied it to the other side to make sure that the legs are on the same spot. I put the top part back on and double checked that the heights are the same on both sides, and I screwed the last piece to the leg. When I was done, I sanded the legs and I applied 2 coats of poly to protect the wood. For the spice rack, I cut 2 longer and 4 shorter equally long pieces. Then I marked and drilled holes for the rails. I used the 5mm square edge pine strip wood for that. After I cut the strip wood to the correct size, which is 4mm longer, with the help of a blade I trimmed out 2mm from both ends to match the holes. Then I glued the rack together and used brad nails to secure the joint. As a last step, to be able to fix them on the wall, I screwed these keyhole hangers to the back of the spice rack. I drilled holes into the wall, put screws in these holes and hang the racks onto the screws. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you like to see more content, and make sure to hit the bell notification to get notified when we upload the next one. Like and share this video to help our channel grow. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram.